Assalamu alaikum. Is there any effect of higher education, working experience, age on a person's salary? If so, then how much? Regression analysis answered this question. Regression analysis is a statistical method used to model the relationship between one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. What is dependent and independent variables? The outcome you want to predict or explain is dependent variable, like salary. The factors that may influence the outcome is independent variable, like experience, age, education. There are several types of regression analysis depending on the shape of your data and nature of your target, like simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, logistic regression, and rigid lasso elastic net regression. Let's drive simple linear regression. Its model is y equal to a plus bx, where y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, a is intercept, b is regression coefficient or slope. Let's see an example to know in detail. Suppose a company wants to know how does advertising spending affect our sales. For that, they collect this data. Now we have to calculate intercept A and regression coefficient or slope B based on this data. For that, we calculate this table. Since it's a higher get study, so I think you are able to calculate this table easily. After calculate this table, we get these values. Let's calculate a regression coefficient or slope B. We input our calculated values. We get slope 9. Now we'll calculate intercept A. For that, we average on both sides. Now we rearrange this model. Let's input our calculated values in this model. We get 9. Now, let's input these values in our model. We get y equal to 9 plus 9 times x. That means sales equal to 9 plus 9 times advertising cost. Now we can interpret that even with no ad, sales is 9,000. Every extra 1,000 in ad increase sale by 9,000. Thank you for watching.